Hello, hi. My name is Gloria, a co-founder at TechAfrica Data Analytics Center, and today you get to know more about TechAfrica. I'm joined here by quite an integral person at TechAfrica, and today we'll just get to know more about TechAfrica. So, hello, hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you so much, Aura.
So, would you kindly introduce yourself to us?
Thank you. My name is Masharia. I'm the co-founder and CEO of TechAfrica Data Analytics Center.
Oh, wow, wonderful.
And I'm glad to be here.
Very nice. Thank you so much. And would you kindly tell us what is TechAfrica and what do you do?
TechAfrica Data Analytics Center is an edutech company based in Nairobi, Kenya. And we are a premier resource for data analytics. That is in training. We do training. We do data science training. We offer websites, development and designs. We also offer software solutions to companies, as well as analytics consultancy. Thank you.
Nice. Very impactful indeed. And so just tell us, when was TechAfrica founded?
The journey about TechAfrica has been one enticing journey.
Yeah.
We started back in 2022, and we have been grinding on. It's been a good ride, I would say.
Absolutely, of course.
It has taken sweat and blood to be here, but we are glad and we are thankful to God for the much that we have been able to accomplish.
Some of the challenges, if you just touch on briefly, of being a co-founder and a CEO of a startup until where you are right now.
Well, challenges don't miss when it comes to business, and that is one thing that we've learned the hard way. Sometimes you find that, especially in terms of resources, some of the resources are not very available for us to be able to use them. But we tried, nonetheless, we try to mitigate these challenges, and we try to be able to create an impact with whatever that we have. And I would say one of the challenges has been in terms of finances, financial aid. Being a young CEO, it's been a company that have been built from our own sweat, our own contributions. We have not yet raised any money, but we have been able to raise money through our own contributions and also through the courses and our products that we have been selling.
Okay, that's nice. Seems like quite a hassle, but you paved through.
Definitely.
So that's really good. And what problem is TechAfrica solving now that the world is majorly on improving the living of people? What problem is TechAfrica solving?
Thank you. That's an important question, Aura. I would say the problem that TechAfrica is solving right now is Africa, for the longest time possible, has been held back in terms of digital migration and digital literacy. And one of the problems that we are solving as TechAfrica is we are bridging that gap from training. We are able to train people who have not been able to be exposed to this knowledge before, knowledge about data analytics, which is an emerging field, artificial intelligence, which is also another emerging field.
Yeah, emerging field.
And some of these problems are problems that we have faced due to Africa lagging behind in terms of technology and digital migration. So our work and our biggest task has been to try and transform and pioneer growth in terms of the digital literacy, and also make sure that businesses are also not left behind. We have to make sure that these businesses are also equally able to handle the careers that we are raising from data analytics and technological knowledge.
Wonderful. And maybe just clearly, would you touch on the main services you offer as TechAfrica?
Yeah, okay, definitely. We offer data analytics courses. We offer data science courses from Python to machine learning to advanced Excel. We also offer web design and web development courses. We also offer data analytics consultancy. If you'd like to have to make meaning of your data, we are able to do that, and we are able to come in and look at your data and try to tell you this is what you should be doing. And if you notice that most companies nowadays are actually moving into data-driven companies, meaning that they are able to look at their data and make meaningful or impactful decisions. The other service we are offering is we are offering systems as a service. So we have different systems that we've created as TechAfrica. We have systems like HR systems. We have TechAfrica HR, which is one of the systems that we've created as TechAfrica. We also have other systems that we have been working on, health management systems, and these systems are actually creating a big impact in the job market already.
Yeah, wonderful. And just maybe tell us, how often do you run your courses, and when's the next cohort, or how you put them?
Thank you, excellent. We have had several cohorts so far, and we have been able to see impact in the students that have come through TechAfrica, and we have seen them growing and getting easily into the job market because of the skills that we are giving them. Right now we are saying that one of our taglines is we are leading a skills-based economy, and this skills-based economy means that we are giving these people skills that are able to transform them and make them job market ready, and not just giving them a certificate, but also transforming the whole landscape of education in Kenya and in Africa.
When's the next cohort?
The next cohort will be in January, and we have actually come up with a very nice software or system, a TechAfrica Learning Management System, and this system is going to help guide our students into making sure that they are able to learn from the start to the end. We can be able to, we have something we're calling psychometric test, and this psychometric test is able to understand your learning pace, your learning style, and be able to create courses or give you these courses in the way that you learn best. There are some people who like to learn by listening. There are people who like to learn by getting examples or do as you learn. There are people who like to watch videos and they learn. There are people who like to, etc. People like different things, and we are offering them with this system an opportunity for them to be able to learn as they
their own pace.
Yeah.
I don't know about you. That's really wonderful. I don't know about you, but I'd like to learn using a system that monitors my pace and knows how to guide me into mastering the skill I'm trying to learn even better. And so just finally, as we end this interview, it has been so informative. I hope more people will know about TechAfrica and will make a haste to join us and get to experience one of the services that we offer out there. So just finally, who are the partners that have been an integral part in this journey?
Thank you so much, Obra. That's a very important question. First and foremost, I want to thank the TechAfrica team, from the developers to the tutors, to the whole management team that has been behind the success of TechAfrica. And moving on to some of our partners that we've partnered with, we've partnered with very key and important people who are helping us decipher the world of tech and decipher how this information gets out there. One of the partners is Brookwise Limited. Brookwise Limited has been an integral and important part of this journey. For the past 1 year, we have been organizing and co-hosting with them at GTC offices. We have been co-hosting with them events, networking events, where our tutors and our students can come and interact with other people who are in the same field or in different fields and get to learn about entrepreneurial studies and entrepreneurial journey. The other partners we have is the likes of Kenya Tech Events. We have Kenya Tech Events who are also very integral in making sure that we can be able to take this gospel of data studies and data analytics and software development to even campuses and changing the landscape of how people learn. The education system for the past decade has been the same. People are learning the same things over and over again, but the world is changing. So we are trying to change that landscape and making sure that we can be able to deliver this in a more skills-based way. The other partner would be Glow Foundation, who are also coming on board, and we are really excited for them because they are going to be also an integral part of making sure that we can be able to bring them on board and bring that gospel to as many people as possible out there. And as well as we have other partners like Greenline, as well as many others, among others that are so many. I cannot be able to mention them here, but everybody has taken a part in making sure that TechAfrica is successful, and we are really grateful to them all for this. Yeah.
Nice. And now as we close, being a young leader and a co-founder of a startup and bringing it to where it is today, what legacy do you want to leave behind as a co-founder and as a leader?
Well, that's a very important question and a very tricky question.
Yeah.
That is because I don't believe that age is really what matters. What matters is what's between your ears. Is it a brain or what it is? What is in your ears?
Is it what's between your ears?
Yeah? Because if you have a brain, you can be able to think of opportunities. Africa has a lot of opportunities, millions and millions of opportunities for you to be able to venture into. So it's not about the age, it's about how you articulate those ideas that you have and make sure that you implement them correctly. I would say in terms of legacy, I want to raise leaders from whoever I'm working with. I want to raise leaders out of that and make sure that these leaders can be pioneers and drivers of making sure that we can be able to partner together and work together to make sure that we pioneer digital migration in Africa and also move to other parts of the world. So thank you. That's
nice.
all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Boniface.
You so
It
much,
has
Audra.
been lovely to hear from you and hear about the amazing things that TechAfrica is doing. So as a business out there, you are really confused of where to place yourself in the market, we're here to help you make sense out of your data. So it's always TechAfrica, igniting data brilliance.
TechAfrica, igniting data brilliance.